Hi friends, welcome to Koshika. Now I am starting a new series for tutorials of Django Oscar accounts package. I have already created tutorials for Django Oscar e-commerce framework. If you want, you can watch those tutorials from above I button playlist. And friends, if you like my tutorials, please support me. And if you have any queries or suggestions, please tell me in the below comment box. So in this tutorial I will introduce Django Oscar accounts package to you, and we will see what functionalities and features it provides us to use with the Django Oscar. So friends, if you like my tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to the channel Code Shikha to get the new video updates first to you, because your likes and subscribes motivates me to do more videos. So friends, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's start the tutorial. First, let's see what is Django Oscar accounts package. Django Oscar accounts is a package that provides the functionalities for a managed account to use with the e-commerce framework Django Oscar. That is, Django Oscar requires a managed account to satisfy the client needs. So friends, next one question may come in your mind, that what is a managed account. So let's see that. A managed account is an account held by a person, single person or organization, where they make a range of investments with the purpose of increasing business income or profit. The investor, we may say that the organization hires a professional investment manager to oversee the account operations. That is, he or she analyzes the investments to achieve specific objectives such as long-term growth or current income. The managed account may contain cash, titles to property or financial assets. Managed accounts are customized to match certain risks, objectives and client needs. That is, we need a managed account for our e-commerce project to match certain risks, objectives, that is our e-commerce store objectives and client needs. For example, to satisfy our customer needs, and we also need to increase our business income. And the investment manager exercises discretionary authority over the account. That is, the investment manager has an authority over the account, allowing him to make investment decisions. That is, he is allowed to make investment decisions over the account relating directly to the owner's goals and needs. Here owner's goals means our e-commerce store goals and needs, asset size and risk tolerance. So Django Oscar accounts package provides a managed account to implement a variety of interesting components like gift cards. You may know that gift card is a prepaid coupon and is equivalent to cash, which can be used to pay any order. For example, in Flipkart you may have got a gift card on any purchase. Suppose I have a gift card of rupees 500 and I want to buy a product of rupees 600. Then at checkout I can pay rupees 500 for the product by using the gift card and the remaining by using other payment methods. So this is how the gift card works. Next, we can implement web accounts. Next, we can implement different loyalty schemes. And the loyalty scheme is nothing but a marketing strategy that rewards loyal customers to encourage them to make a repeat purchase. And the best example for this is the Amazon Prime. That is, by joining a Amazon membership, it provides us one scheme, that is Amazon Prime, and it offers discounts, free shipping and other benefits, etc. So this package provides managed accounts using double entry bookkeeping. That is, every transaction is recorded twice, once for the source account and once for the destination account. And this makes sure that books always balance and there exist full records of all transactions. Now let's see the features provided by Django Oscar accounts package. A user can have multiple accounts that is, a single user can have multiple accounts. For example, gift card account, redemptions account, bank account, lapsed account, etc. And an account can be created with no users assigned. That is, those accounts can be created with no users assigned, a single primary user assigned, or a set of users assigned. And the an account can have a start and end date to restrict its usage within a limited time. That is, an account can have a start and end date, so that we can use that account only within a limited time. Also, the usage of an account can be restricted so that it can only be used to pay for a range of products. Okay, and those accounts has a credit limit, and by default it is set to 0. Now let's see the different types of accounts Django Oscar accounts package provides us. So here are the accounts: redemptions account, lapsed account, bank, unpaid source account, and this is a gift card I have created. You can see here it has the fields code, status, those are by default open. It has start date, end date, and the balance is 0, as the credit limit for all accounts is by default set to 0, and the number of transaction it is showing. Now I will open this gift card. So this is the gift card I have created with the description, status, and it has this account type. I have the balance, it has 500, the credit limit is 0. Okay, and from accounts we can create here new account by using this create new account link. Here we need to set the name, description, initial transaction, that we have to set first money, that is, as the credit limit is 0, we can set here 0, no need to. And here by setting start and end date, the account we can restrict when the account can be used. Here we can set who can use the account by setting the primary user. It is showing here I am logged in as Tom, so it is showing here Tom. And under the secondary users we can assign multiple users. See here we can assign multiple users, and here we can specify the product range to restrict by using this account which products can buy. Okay, and from transfers, this shows all transaction history, and this is a transaction book of accounts. And from deferred income report, here we need to select the date, and we need to click fetch report. Here it shows all the deferred income reports. You can see here as the 500 gift card is not paid yet, so it is showing it as a deferred income. So under profit loss report, here we can select from which date we want to see the profit and loss report. I will select here one date. I will click fetch report. So this is the profit and loss report, and here they are showing increases in deferred income liability under the bank, under paid source, under dashboard created account, and the total is 500, because the balance we have on account is only 500, and the reductions in liability shows that is 0, so the difference is position is 500. So now in the next tutorial we will see what are the different types of accounts the Django Oscar account provides us in depth, and we will see how to set up Django Oscar accounts in our Django Oscar project. So friends, in this tutorial I have introduced you to the Django Oscar accounts package. So in the next tutorial we will see how to integrate Django Oscar accounts with the Django Oscar. So friends, if you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to the channel Kodeshika to get the new video updates first to you. Now I will meet in the next tutorial with a new topic. Bye bye.